Yo guys, what's up? Your boys back, and today we're gonna talk about Samsung Galaxy S10. As you guys know, it's been a month since Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, but now we're getting leaks and news about the next generation Galaxy S10. Few days back, we got a news that Samsung Galaxy S10 might come with a notch, but latest leak says it won't come with a notch. It will have same infinity display that we find on Samsung Galaxy S8 and S9. As you guys know, Samsung Galaxy S10 will be the Samsung 10th S line of smartphone, and there were some leaks saying that it will be an extraordinary smartphone, but the current leak showing that it won't be an extraordinary smartphone. It will be a smartphone that we have got before from Samsung. Some are saying that it will come with a foldable display, and some are saying that it will be a modular smartphone, but current leaks proves these rumors wrong. A report says that Samsung Galaxy S10 will come with 5.8-inch display and S10 Plus will come with 6.3-inch display, and these are 0.03 and 0.08 inch larger than the current generation S9 respectively. So if that turns out the case, then we can only assume that Samsung managed to further slim down the top and bottom chin in favor of more display. A report also claimed that Samsung Galaxy S10 will come with an in-display fingerprint scanner. And few days back, we also got a report that Samsung is testing a in-display fingerprint in the Galaxy Note 9, but there are less chances that Note 9 will have a in-display fingerprint scanner, but more chances in the S10. Report also suggests that the 3D sensing camera is also in the features list of Galaxy S10, and we have seen the AR emojis in the Galaxy S9, so Samsung is taking it further and will accurate these AR emojis. So Galaxy S10 will be the first phone to support super fast 5G and will be powered with the Snapdragon 855 processor, and this chip will be based on new 7nm architecture. So these are the leaks that we have got, and these leaks could change from time to time as Samsung Galaxy S10 will launch next year. Until then, we will get many leaks about this smartphone. So subscribe to the channel to get notified, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.